The determination of water content in soil solids using the oven drying method is a common technique in soil analysis. It involves measuring the loss of moisture from a soil sample when it is subjected to drying in an oven at a specified temperature. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform this method. 1. Preparation. Label each sample container with a unique ID or number. Weigh each empty, clean, and dry sample container, also known as a moisture tin or dish, and record the mass, initial mass. 2. Sample collection and handling. Collect representative soil samples from the desired depth or location. Remove any large debris or stones from the soil sample. Thoroughly mix the soil sample to ensure uniformity. 3. Sample weighing. Take a portion of the mixed soil sample and place it into the labeled sample container. Weigh the sample container with the soil sample and record the mass. 4. Oven drying. Preheat the oven to a specified temperature, usually around 105 to 110 degrees Celsius, 221 to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the sample container with the soil sample in the oven. Allow the sample to dry in the oven for a specified period, typically around 24 hours. After the drying time, remove the sample container from the oven and allow it to cool in a desiccator. Weigh the cooled sample container with the dried soil sample and record the mass, final mass. 5. Calculation. Calculate the initial water content, wet basis, using the following formula: water content, percent, equals, W2W1, W2W1, x 100. Calculate the final water content, dry basis, using the following formula: water content, percent, equals, W2W3, W3, x 100. 6. Repeat. Repeat the above steps for each soil sample, using a new sample container for each one. 7. It's important to note that remember to fill in the table with the relevant data for each sample ID, initial mass, final mass, oven drying time, and calculated water content. Please note that the specific procedures and drying times may vary depending on the standard or method being used, so it's important to refer to the appropriate guidelines or specifications for your specific application.